Hello guys, a very good morning to everyone, and time is 9 o'clock 11 minutes, 2nd November 2020. Positions as of now, I have held Bank Nifty on the long side from 23,920, and my quantity is almost 500 quantity, that is 20 lots of Bank Nifty. I am holding at 23,920, and you all know the other account valuation which I have here. All right, so I have an open position. Let's see how it goes, and I'll keep you posted. So guys, Bank Nifty has opened at 24,283. I'm not gonna wait for long. I'm just going to exit my positions. I have a profit of 1,31,000 already running, and I'm closing my position here.
Order filled.
Alright, so 12,85,000 is the remaining balance of my account. So this was a holding call. I bought it on Friday, and I'm exiting it today, and 1,26,462 profits as of now. And for the trades, let's see how it goes. Guys, I am thinking the Bank Nifty might retrace to the level of 2477. That is why what I'm doing is I'm buying a put option. So that is this one, 250 quantities.
Order filled.
Alright, so I'll keep you guys posted how it goes. Alright, so Bank Nifty reversed, and my options position I have to exit. My SL was 342.
Order
I'm
filled.
exiting my position here, and I'll be waiting for a new entry. So guys, I might be going back to the same option but at a lower price from here, and not right now, maybe a little bit further.
Order filled.
So I've taken back the same option again because this resistance is acting very good, and this is a pullback. And I'm not going to hold it much, and I'm going to see the next candle, and if there is any good probabilities that it will go down till this levels, that is 24,077, I'm going to hold it, else I'm going to exit it. I'm not going to wait for long. Guys, I have exited my positions with our loss. And this was just today's trade. I'll show you. 24,000 put options. I tried buying, but market did not sustain, and I am booking loss of 14,946, let's say approximately 15,000 loss. And this was a BTST trade, as I told you. I bought it on Friday at my average was good enough, and I am exiting it now. And I booked a profit of 1,26,462. Pardon for the background noises. And alright guys, see you in the next video. Do consider subscribing. Thank you.